4:48. Wearing my PJs and pants. So Sunday, today my son's off because of the blizzard, and we're going to a Chinese restaurant to get food, and my mom too, because she wants food.
This is so annoying.
We got this at the Chinese place. My mom wanted this. And gave her the sauce. I think both are white rice.
You're recording everybody believe in God.
So well, already starting. They started believing in God. I thought I had to wait till he was old. Still looking at Scream 3. I thought I didn't see it. I seen it. It's gonna be my second time looking at it. And I forgot when it comes. I think this month. No wait, is it this month? Or March? Maybe the ending of February. They're gonna give the 7th Scream.
Absolutely perfection, beautiful, shockingly, amazingly divine. I was blown away. I almost cried like 8 times. Hands down, best show I've ever seen.
How much chickens?
But this was perfect.
I don't think anybody realizes how good this show is until you actually get into the theater and see it. Steve Shenron worked so hard to bring back the best that Chinese civilization has ever created. Shenron has saved so much before it was too late. To see the beauty portrayed in 2 hours of what was before communism is breathtaking. I feel better about the world. I feel uplifted. It fills the heart. It fills the cup with joy. You don't have to come see it.
Worth everything. Could not get enough of it.
Do you miss this?
How much broccoli? There's 5.
Two. Starting March 25th. Get your tickets now at Shenron.com.
I'm gonna heat it up, okay?
One more minute and it should be good.
What didn't they give that you said?